Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Baanx token. Ticker symbol is BXX. This token is spelled BAANX. So right now they just got listed on CoinMarketCap in the top gainer section because there is a new BXX smart contract which can be found on CoinMarketCap now, and then you can also find the old contract address, and that is why obviously the price went up today because of the transfer of addresses that usually happens, and then they end up in the top gainer section. But we're going to go over this token here since we haven't before, and you can find it listed on CoinMarketCap. We're going to go over the information in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So on CoinMarketCap, you can find their webpage, which is Baanx.com, or their application at banksapp.com/BXX. Both of those are listed on CoinMarketCap along with their new contract address on their Etherscan. They also have their Twitter listed on here, their Reddit, 2 different Telegrams, and a full white paper. Also, if you want to find more information, you can check out their socials. But so right here at the bottom, there's listed in 2 different places you can get this token. You can get it in a decentralized way from funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and trading your Ethereum for the BXX token using the new contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap or their Etherscan. Now, you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, and just be aware that there is going to be network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. Now, an easier way to get this token, you can get it off a really great exchange called MEXC Global. Now, I do have an MEXC Global referral code in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. I use that exchange all the time. All you'd have to do is just go right through that MEXC referral code in the description box, open an account, and then fund your account with either Ethereum or USDT. Then go into the trade section, search BXX, the ticker symbol, and then you'd simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So according to CoinMarketCap, it says, imagine a world where you can borrow for free, remit money across the globe for free, and earn crypto rewards from your daily spending. This is a world of the Baanx platform, a crypto-as-a-service fintech bridging the worlds of crypto and fiat. So fintechs can offer their users these services that are better than a bank. Baanx.com Limited now works with the leading global digital asset corporate brands to enable secure crypto-friendly services, launching our user-inspired products to their engaged communities, including interest-free secured lending, high-rate savings for staking digital assets, global remittance, and the ability to spend digital blockchain-based assets directly on your Visa, China Union Pay, and other schemes, physical or virtual cards. Baanx.com manages the commercial side of these better than a bank functions with the BXX token. So in a nutshell, that's what this project's all about. Now, if you want to find more information, like I was going to say earlier, you can go to their official webpage, or you can go to their white paper. Their white paper, though, is insanely extensive. It is 52 pages long, so very, very lengthy. So it says digital assets and cryptocurrencies will only take market shares from traditional banking and fintech by being better, faster, more secure, easier to use, and at a lower cost. And a great way to start is by offering many free services while still rewarding your users. The Baanx platform powered by the BXX token is making this happen. We are providing our digital asset clients with the highest quality, secure, low-cost B2B digital products that are fast and easy to integrate with the next generation of innovative financial services companies. This includes digital exchanges, DeFis, wallet providers, telcos, financial institutions, social networks, consumer brands, and many others. Now, again, very extensive white paper. So it goes over the Baanx.com limited value proposition. So it says it's a temporary registration regime for crypto asset businesses with the FCA and is a part of the Baanx Group Limited operating fintech services which utilize an EMI license and a credit broking license. So then it goes over market size. There's a little bit of info on the team. So some of their products here, they have Baanx.com API product and services. They have the BXX unique selling proposition, the USP, competitor analysis on here, cost versus why can't I talk today? Cost versus features. And then it shows how Baanx is the lowest cost for most features. Goes over the Baanx model, how BXX supports the Baanx business model. These are all tongue twisters. It's not my fault here. Baanx Group complementary products and services to lending include the launch of the branded virtual or plastic crypto-friendly Visa, directly connected to digital asset wallets, spend crypto via a physical or virtual card to over 70 million merchant locations. They have TextBit, which is send crypto and fiat currency to any mobile user for free. GBP or Euro IBANs for users, faster payment systems, open banking, and SEPA. And we have seamless integration for Google or Apple Pay. You can spend Bitcoin on there or other digital currencies. KYC and AML setup with risk analysis. Acquiring gateways setup to take external card payments. Bitcoin proxy custom payment gateway for gaming. And crypto-friendly corporate accounts. So automation for inbound and outbound, loading receipts and external payments. So tons of utilities basically for this token here. Let's scroll down, see if we can see what is at the bottom. Usually they have the tokenomics and stuff like that at the bottom of their paper. I mean, they have a gigantic also legal disclaimer here, which takes up most of the page. They have a conclusion on here, roadmap. So basically, the roadmap looks like it ends though in 2022 with scaling up and then sign additional strategic partners. So pretty much they've done everything. They need to update the roadmap. Token allocation, 19% goes to strategic partners, 10% technology and operations, 19% liquidity and compliance licenses, 18% marketing, 12% team and advisors, 22% reserve. So, I mean, they just updated their contract. So, you know, hopefully they update the roadmap as well. And, yeah, so, again, very extensive white paper. I tried to give you guys the cliff notes, but it's insanely long. So you guys can check it out if you want to on your own. It is at Coin. You can find it on CoinMarketCap. Token price is up 15% right now, sitting at about 8.7 cents per token. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.